Okay, folks, this is a technical video. It is 3 o'clock right now, and from up there I'm running my time-lapse camera, what I started 5 minutes before 3, and I keep it running until this team of divers get into total submersion from aluminum.
I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night.
Orange fins mounted in, and it looks like last 2 bodies ready for submersion.
And we feel it. I really do want to say the truth. We can't go any road. Need you now. I'm your queen and you the king right now. It's a kingdom, let's play it how you like. How does it make you feel? Or you wanna change? I'll be whatever, what you like. We can dance, you got to move tonight. Stars are watching us in the sky. I wanna last it forever. It's a sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I won't lose control.
Our bodies, they entering a water. This is last 2, and this is first 2, and they all from Alabama. I forgot A. Your name, sir?
Bill, from Ocala.
Okay. And the very last?
Well, from Alabama.
Keith. Okay. Now they all together, and folks, you are very welcome to watch their video, watch their product all together. Folks, they do have 3 colors.
Mr. Sexy Smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, not checking the time, just I'm loving you all night long. I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time, just I was loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's done right, we already know. And we feel it. I really do want to say the truth, we can't go any road. miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, not checking the time, 'cause I'm loving you all night long. I miss that sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. I miss that sexy smile,